Hello everybody. Why haven't we found aliens yet? A new paper on the Fermi paradox convincingly shows why will we probably never find aliens ever. Never ever. We haven't found them. So before you're getting into the video, subscribe to this channel because we, Aliens Team VB, will produce a lot more content related to space, technologies and all of the space and universe stuff that we take as a whole unit, and a lot more booms, mysterious creatures that we take in this channel as a content. So first time in our channel after so many videos, more than 50 videos, today we are got a guest invited in our channel. He is Tamil YouTuber, South India's most technological YouTuber, I would probably say, and he's also interested in these topics. He's one of the finest hard worker YouTuber in thoughts, I would say. He has got a brilliant mind, one of the intelligent guy over there in the Tamil Nadu, so I'll probably say that. So he's got to be Gajendira Kumar. How are you doing, man?
Yeah, I am very fine. I am interested to topic is alien more and more. That is where is everybody. That is why my content is very impressive.
Yes, this is impressive content. So whenever we take a look at where is everybody, Drake equations, Fermi paradox, we got a lot of stuff to talk today. So shall we get into the video?
Yeah.
So you got some research notes. You can continue with that. I'll be pleasure to hear those.
Okay. One summer night when I was child, in night time some stars and suns, some light blink, dim and bright. That is caught my eye. That is very red blinker.
Yeah.
That is like not a normal aircraft. That is especially UFO, I think.
Yeah, it must be aliens. So whenever we take a look at these stuffs, we have to tell that we are not alone. So when we see something weird in the sky about like UFOs, it must be something. It must be not our aircraft. It must not be our Earth spacecraft. It is somewhere out, coming from out of the space. Something like maybe it's coming from Mars, maybe it's coming inside our solar system, or it is traveling inside our Milky Way galaxy, coming to Earth as a visitor. So do you agree with that? Alright, if we go in that findings, why there is a theory called Fermi paradox. There is a theory known as Fermi paradox. So you have notes on that. I have a question for you. Where is everybody?
Yeah, that is a calculation of some formula. Formula means that is a DAC equation. You're telling us that a
DAC equation is seriously something great. So let's take a look at that equation. This equation is gonna blow your minds off seriously. So in 1961, space is of course a large place, and the task of accurately estimating the likelihood of little green men isn't exactly easy, guys. So in 1961, astronomer Frank Drake proposed a formula that multiplied 7 parameters. I'll tell you what it stands for. It is just nothing simply known as detectable civilizations that we should expect within our galaxy at a given moment in time. So can we find them at least? That is what the equation is about. This is one of the rough tools to stimulate scientific discussions of extraterrestrial probability lives. So let's take a look, guys. Here is what we are flashing on the screen. And number of active communicative extraterrestrial civilizations, so N stands for that, is equal to, hereafter we are going to multiply every single source codes. So every single formula that is proposed in 7 parameters, all these 7 parameters is going to be multiplied. So R to the fraction relates to the average rate of star formation, which denotes star symbol. F to the power fraction of P denotes fraction with planets, and N average number of potential supportive life, which denotes the fraction of E, and F which denotes the fraction of L that develops life at some point. L leads to life, and F to the fraction of I, which leads to the development and the intelligent life, and F to the power of fraction of C, which leads to the detectable signs in our space, and L which leads to the length of time releasing detectable signals. You know what? N and L are going to be same in this, but they have multiplied the parameter of time with L, which is going to be the length. How far can we reach? So Gajaji, I've got one more question. Where we are traveling in the Milky Way galaxy 220 kilometers per second, that we're the calculation we have got so far now. The wavelength that we are traveling so far and vast universe, just us. I mean, we are traveling at the speed of that, and we are going so fast. So that is the length of time that we are detecting here. So how do you feel? Will we meet anyone? Will we reach any signals? Are we going to get some signals? Are aliens going to reply to us?
Yeah, if we going light speed, that is our body is not suitable for that. Anyway, we send to signal. That's only a maximum. Send some signals. That is, if you in advance, in future technology, we go more speed. It's like some more speed only, not go to light speed.
Yes, that is also a true equation that we have to take. So probably maybe Gajaji, you're a hi-fi technological YouTuber, you've got a lot of intelligence. So are you going to put out any of the equations and formulate together as a new equation? Shall you do that in some of the time, maybe in a couple of years?
Yeah, I plan new equations about where is everybody.
Yes, it's not Fermi paradox anymore, it's gotta be GK paradox. So guys, that is going to wrap up. So we saw about Drake equations, we saw the length, we saw about the time distance, and that's what this is going to wrap up for the video. Where is everybody? This question always raises as a question, and the answer would be, we are not alone. That's what my answer. And what's your answer, Gajaji?
Yeah, same. We are not alone. We have something, a reliable person is nearby, near our outer
yes,
universe.
That is true. So we are related to each other. That is seriously a true thing that we have to take to the grinder, this conclusion. So guys, that is going to wrap up. I'll put down the link right there in the description of this Gajaji's channel. So kindly go ahead and check that out. And we have got so many articles coming up. So if you guys want to search the articles, I've got vox.com. So this is the best article that you have to take in the Drake and Fermi paradox equations. So guys, stay tuned for more episodes, and as always, take care, and this is your VB signing out. And any final words, Gajaji?
Yeah, final words means the same process. We are not alone. Yeah, that is a final.
Yes.
We soon reach. We seen any alien signals, or we soon next 200 to 300 years we seen surely.
Yes, that is true. So I'm not going to live that time so long. So it's going to be it is going to be my next generation who is going to see the aliens, not myself or Gajaji. So it will be good. So we'll pray that for all the goodness. And my final question is always, why haven't we found aliens yet?